What is going on, everybody? In today's episode, we are going to be talking about how to make six figures with affiliate marketing in 2021. I'm going to break down everything step by step. If you make it to the very end, I'm going to have a huge gift for you that's going to shorten your learning curve and show you exactly how to make anywhere between $5,000 and $1,000 extra a month online and start making your first commissions. Hey, my name is Jonathan Blake, and I'm super excited for you to be here. And welcome. If you have never been to this channel before, do me a huge favor and subscribe. I drop videos like this all of the time. My whole goal is to help you achieve making money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So here's the big picture. We need to figure out what your niche is. Okay, so you need to figure out, what your interests are and exactly what are your strengths. Okay, so for me, I like promoting make money online because those people have money. Okay, but the three core markets to affiliate marketing or business are health, wealth, and relationship. So that product somehow has to be in that sphere. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the computer really quick, and I'm gonna break down my whole strategy on how I'm gonna make six figures in 2021 promoting affiliate offers. Okay, so I'm gonna break this down as simple as possible. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be talking about stacking your funnels, and I'm gonna break this down as simple as possible. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about traffic sources. Okay, I think the best thing to do is with search engines. Okay, so think YouTube, Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, stuff like that. Okay, so the newest platform though has the best engagement. Okay, so right now TikTok and Clubhouse have huge opportunities for engagement and organic views. Okay, so right now I'm pushing everything from TikTok to my landing page or my squeeze page, my opt-in page, capture page, whatever you want to call it. So this page right here, so that page is, the whole goal is to get someone's email address. Okay, so we're going to give them a free incentive, free gift, something that's going to give them a quick win that will give them more knowledge, something that will help them in the future. So my whole goal is to produce long form content from YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to push the YouTube content to my blog. I'm going to make it into blog articles, and I'm going to push it to my Facebook group. Okay, and then I'm going to push my Facebook group to my YouTube content. Same thing. Pinterest is a great search engine to push your content. People are always looking pins, and you can get a lot of engagement from Pinterest. So we're going to push everything from YouTube to TikTok, TikTok to YouTube, Pinterest to YouTube, Pinterest to our blog post. So I believe search engines are amazing because they live a lot longer than social media, right? So, you'll put in a post on social media and it only lasts for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and nobody will see it unless you're paying to play. So the newest platform or the newest feature on an app will always give you the best engagement. Okay, same thing right now. Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts are doing amazing right now. So definitely jump on those trends. So everything's going to come back to our very front end funnel. This is our first thing that we need to set up. So this is just basically a little simple 3-step funnel. So all of our traffic over here is going to be pushed to this opt-in page. We're going to give them some kind of incentive. Like mine is, I'm giving them a free course and I'm going to let them clone my exact business. Okay, so we get this email here. We're going to push them to the email and we're going to say, hey, welcome, blah, blah, blah. And then we're going to I'm pushing them to my free course. Down below, I'm going to give you my membership course, and you can actually clone that into your ClickFunnels account if you'd like to. If not, it's great. But definitely go through it. It'll give you some great insights and more in depth on affiliate marketing. So we're going to push them to our affiliate marketing. I want to get people, I only want to help people that are, like me, have been through some stuff and want to make a living online. Okay, so I'm going to try and get these people on the phone and close them, talk to them, get their objections, and work with these people. So one of my bonuses, I help them, work on their business for 6 weeks. So I'm their personal, consultant. Follow up with them, answer all their questions. So on my emails, so I'm going to be pushing these people from, let's go back to the bridge page. So I get the opt-in here, and then I push them to a bridge page. So this is just a video of me. It's called a virtual sales letter of me trying to bridge the gap between who I am, what do I do, how can I help them, and then my affiliate offer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer and ClickFunnels, heavy, right? So and I plan on doing marketing boosts as well. This is the sales page for the affiliate offer, but we're going to go back to the email here. So we're going to follow up through email. I've got 12 emails just for leads. Okay, so and then I push them to my main list where my whole broadcast is. You don't have to worry about this a whole lot. I break it all down in the membership area. But so we're going to once they buy it, okay, so it's only $7. So they'll come into my buyers list, okay? And then I'm going to push them out, I'm pushing them out to more videos as well to get them, indoctrined with me. So once people like, know, and trust you, they're going to buy from you. As long as you put the right messaging and it's in the right time, people will buy from you. So once they get into the membership, the whole goal is to get people informed as much as possible. So I'm informing them everything about, ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer. I'm showing them exactly how I'm promoting Legendary Marketer and every other affiliate platform as well. So you can just mirror what I'm doing. It doesn't matter if you are promoting Legendary or not. Once you get into the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, they're teaching you exactly how to promote any affiliate offer. So I've got one email list for just leads, and then I've got one for buyers. So I believe I got 12 emails for just leads, and then I got buyers emails, which is 18 at the moment, and then I push them to the next funnel. So the next funnel would be either ClickFunnels or some kind of free gifts, something that I can get them on a reoccurring. With the people that don't buy, okay, this is what I'm doing as well. I'm going to be retargeting them with Facebook ads as well. So this is my retargeting strategy. I think it's gonna get me a lot of trials, but we're gonna see it's gonna slam everything down. So I'm gonna do an opt-in for another free gift. I'm gonna boost this. I'm gonna get this to my email list. I'm just gonna be retargeting people. I'm gonna give them a free gift, and then I'm gonna take them to the sales page. Okay. So my whole goal here, I'm doing a competition. Okay, or like an entry to win a complimentary 100-day dinner incentive. Okay, so if the people get, they take the opt-in of the 100-day incentive because I have this in my course, so they obviously don't care about it. Okay, so or they didn't even sign in. So I'm giving them the $100 incentive for the food, the dinner incentive, right? If they take the 14-day trial, just the trial, okay, of ClickFunnels. And then if they complete some kind of action, like if they set up a domain or something, I'm going to give them a chance to win a complimentary vacation. Okay, this will give me a lot of trials. I hope it'll give me a lot of trials. And then, I'm pushing them back to the download, and I'm trying to get them on the phone. And I feel like if I can get them on the phone and close their objections, like realistically, you can start your online business for like $150, $200. I think I'm spending $230 on my business every month. So active campaigns, only $15 a month when you first get started. I think it's the most robust. There's a lot of different email autoresponders out there that you don't have to pay anything for. ClickFunnels is $97. You don't need the more expensive plan. I think I'm a huge ClickFunnels fan as well, but I've been with them forever. And, they've helped me cross six figures, and all of my learning has come from, ClickFunnels or Russell Brunson. What we're doing here is we're just stacking funnels on top of funnels. So this is my retargeting. The next funnel, so the funnel that once you figure out that after you've spent this money acquiring a customer, everything after, they take that action, that purchase, is free marketing. Okay. Once you figure out how much you've spent on ads and everything, you can figure out how much you can actually spend on a customer and how much you can spend on emails, and you can keep going. Okay, it'll snowball. You just keep stacking funnels on funnels, and this is how you're going to grow a six-figure big business. I think the best way to do this is through affiliate marketing, and then you're stacking on more information products, courses, then you do consulting, coaching as well. Second funnel or third funnel is going to be a template, right? So I can give them, $37 or 37 templates for only $27, or something that my audience will need. I haven't created this yet. I probably have, I don't know, 15 or 20 free templates in the membership, but I want some like 6 and 7 figure templates as well. In the membership, I've got I got some e-com and a bunch of affiliates. I think I got a brick and mortar and a supplement funnel as well. So for the first page, it's going to be a 2-step order form. So that page is just going to have the order form, and it's going to go. So these people already like, know, and trust me, so they're more likely to buy. So they're more of a warm traffic or a hot traffic. And then so the upsell is going to be anywhere between $49 and $97. Let's say it's, if they bought the templates, they're going to need custom coding, graphics, could be some copy, something like that, right? So when you sell information products, you want to sell the next thing. So if you're selling physical products, you want to sell more quantity. But we're selling digital products because it's got a high ticket profit margin in it, okay? And I think it's a lot easier. So once we build our audience and we're getting, all this engagement from TikTok, we can stack these funnels on top of them. And it's a great way to, start a business, because affiliate marketing has such a low barrier of entry, okay? So we're going to sell them a $47 to $97 product on upsell 1. Upsell 2 could be a live course that we're going to do. We're going to do a deep discount, $297, right? So always do the one-time offers, and then so my whole goal is to get into software sales, right? So I want to offer them, some kind of software that I develop. And it's super cheap. If you want to do like a Chrome extension, I've got some free software in the membership for you, actually. It only costs like $400 or $500 to develop these Chrome extensions. You can just give them away as free lead magnets or incentives to, get somebody to give you their email. I'm gonna offer that on the very back end. So this is my whole game plan, right? So it kind of looks complicated from afar, but I'm gonna use YouTube, and then I'm gonna cut everything else up and distribute it onto other search engines. We use Pinterest, Quora to push back to my, Facebook group, YouTube, and I'm gonna use TikTok to seed all of these other things. So I'm gonna niche down. I'm gonna just go hard on TikTok and master one source of traffic, and then migrate these people over. So if you got any more questions, do me a huge favor and comment down below, or hit me up in the membership. I've got my phone number.